Right from my childhood, I've been hearing about June 12, and the heroes of democracy, this or that. Today, I want to set the record straight. Who is the true hero of the democracy or the June 12th that led to this advent of the democratic regimes we have in Nigeria? You cannot mention June 12th without mentioning Abiola. Is Abiola truly the hero of June 12th? Remember that this video is all about to set the record straight. I do not undermine the fight of Abiola, campaigning election during that regime where militaries have powers in Nigeria. I know what it is. I appreciate Abiola. I appreciate everyone who fought for the return of democracy, even though the democracy is not working for us. But who is truly the hero of that June 12th? Now, today, we honor the true hero of the June 12th, Professor Humphrey Nwosu. Professor Humphrey Nwosu is like an INEC chairman. Then we don't have an INEC chairman. We have the Nigeria Electoral Commission, something like that, not Independent National Electoral Commission. Now, he is a hero of June 12th. In an act of unparalleled bravery, Professor Nwosu stood firm and released the result of the 1993 presidential election, defying a direct order from President Ibrahim Babangida to halt the announcement. This is the same thing that so many people have experienced, including Professor Yakubu Mahmoud. People are saying that this person is the hero of democracy. What of the person who called the result? If Professor Nwosu is like Professor Yakubu Mahmoud, nobody will know that Abiola even won one state. Nobody will know whether Abiola won one polling unit. They will rig the election and the INEC will say that he did not win. So, I am trying to drag people's ideas, senses, back to the true hero of all this democracy we are saying. It was the INEC chairman then who defied the order from the president, who disagreed that he can never allow that election to hold. And you see, that is the only thing that makes me to respect Jonathan. Because if Jonathan had called Jega instead of Buhari and tell Jega, I cancel this election, Jega will cancel the election that brought Buhari. There is no doubt about that. So, I want you to understand what really happened then. Now, this man's courage act should have earned him widespread recognition and gratitude, but instead, the proponents of the June 12th and the federal government have chosen to marginalize him. Why? Your guess is good as mine. This exclusion is a grave injustice to a man who demonstrated extraordinary integrity and heroism. That was what we expected Mahmoud Yakubu to really set the record straight, cancel the election when necessary, and declare the actual winner. But he couldn't do it. Now, why is it that nobody talks about this man? Nobody appreciates this man. A man like this supposed to be on our Naira note. Is it because he's an Igbo man? I'm not trying to drag tribalism into this thing. I'm just trying to set the record straight. An INEC chairman who defied the order from the president and make sure that he stood on his ground and announced Abiola as the winner. If this man had announced that Abiola did not win the election, they will give him a lot of money, gold. They can even give him oil well because he danced to their tune. But he refused the money. He refused everything they promised him. Upon they told him, if you say that it's Abiola that won the election, we will kill you. They threatened him. According to the history, he received a direct threat to the extent that somebody sitting behind him was the one they are sending message. President, Oga say you should do this. Oga say you should not announce Abiola as the winner. Oga say you should announce that Abiola did not win the election. I am here, and if you did not do that, Oga say I should deal with you. And the person is carrying gun at your back. If you are in the position, will you do that? The true hero is Professor Humphrey Nwosu. Either you like it or not. You see, it is time. This generation is a generation that we must bring out every truth as it is. Those who campaigned the election, those who won the election, whether the election was rigged, whether they tried to do this or to do that, the main person that refused that the election will not be rigged is the INEC chairman then. So let us not forget that his legacy fade away. I want you to help me to share this video. Share it wide. Let people remember who stood for democracy when it mattered most. Because we had the opportunity to change our country in the year 2023. When I believe, that is my opinion, I believe P2B won the election. But someone who don't have the courage to declare him the winner They did all sort of shenanigans they did, and they announced that Tinubu won the election. Now, those who are claiming that they fought for democracy, those who are claiming that they did this, they do that, is it how to fight for democracy? If truly all this set of politicians fought for democracy, the democracy we are having today is supposed to be the democracy of the people. But the democracy we have today is not the democracy of the people. Take it to the bank. So if Tinubu, all these people said they fought for democracy, the question you should ask yourself, if this is the democracy these people fought for, meaning it doesn't worth it. Is it the democracy that made Tinubu to go to exile? No, I think Tinubu was fighting for his selfish reason. After all, in the year 1999, Tinubu said, and I quote, and I have this evidence in the newspaper on my archive. Tinubu said that he don't believe in one Nigeria. I don't believe in one Nigeria. That was what Tinubu said. So what led him into politics now that today they call him president? That is deception. So if these people could not sacrifice everything they have, sacrifice that they will not thief, sacrifice that they will not embezzle money to make sure that the democracy they fight for or they fought for will stand, meaning that these people did not fight for democracy. Tinubu, these people they are mentioning about June 12, forget about it. It's a lie. They did not fight for any democracy. Anybody telling you that Tinubu, all these people they are naming, I don't even know about Abiola. I don't know. But as far as I'm concerned, the person, the true hero of democracy is the person who stood on his ground and announced that Abiola won the election. Nobody will remember Abiola today, I swear, if this man did not declare that Abiola won the election. So the case I am making is that, what if this man had compromised? What if this man had compromised, has taken bribe, like all these INEC chairmen we are saying today? If this man had succumbed to pressure, to threat to life, if this man did not stand because he's a professor that knows more than people who are pressuring him, a professor that has the ability to bring out what he has in himself to serve the nation, not the kind of professors we have today. According to Dumije, as far as Nigeria is like this, we all are illiterate. So what I'm saying is that we should look into this. So many people will not be happy listening to this video, but those who think critically will be able to understand what I mean in this video. So I want people to share this video. Let people know the true hero of democracy. Professor Humphrey Nwosu is the true hero of democracy, but I know this democracy is not working for us. So this democracy doesn't worth the life of anybody. It doesn't worth the death of anybody. It worth nothing that this is what they fought for, this is what they went for an exile. Just like I was telling Yakubu Gowon the other time, that is it the Nigerian people keep 3 million people to keep together? The border, the boundaries that foreigners, Europeans gave you people. You start killing your fellow brothers to make sure you keep the boundary? Who has bewitched us Nigerians? No, this is a serious matter. Who has bewitched us? Because an ordinary person is supposed not to think in this manner. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Is this man truly the hero of democracy from the explanation you have received now? Let me know. I am Okochapi myself, talking reality out of issues. Kindly subscribe to this channel, share my videos, and above all, always come by for daily updates. See you on my next video. Thank you.